chicken that looked like Hitler looked just like him but littler. Down in the hen house they hated his guts. He didn't know why it was driving him nuts. They called him the Chickenstein Monster. He hung around down by the dumpster, while Hunchduck and the Hitler chicken found romance. He looked into her eyes and they began to dance. Well, when the news hit the hen house, jealousy reigned. The hens began to notice that they all looked the same. Being ordinary was bringing them down. They started making weird faces and dragged their feet around. Farmer Bob came out in the noonday heat, saw the chickens making faces and dragging their feet. His brain went out to lunch, his body changed form, and the dance of the living dead chickens was born. He combed his hair to one side, got a little mustache, scrunched up in a hump and let one foot drag. He crossed one eye, let his tongue hang out, and the neighbors joined in and they all began to shout, comb your hair to one side, get a little mustache, scrunch up in a hump and let one foot drag. Everybody's learning, it's fun to be weird. The dance of the living dead chickens is here. The dance of the living dead chickens. The dance of the living dead chickens. The dance of